Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and this is my jam. Look at this box, it's so fun. They put all kinds of stickers on here. So this is an unboxing of a bag. I'm gonna have to pull maybe some of these stickers off and reuse them. And I'm just really excited about this one. I've never seen it in person before, but it was a bag that I absolutely wanted. Once I found out it existed, and I couldn't get it. What had happened was, I'm gonna open as we talk. This is just so cool. A while back, I love the Wizard of Oz, and a while back, Marc Jacobs did a Wizard of Oz drop, a second Wizard of Oz drop, and when he did that drop, they put out a few things, a few bags, and there was only one bag I was really interested in, and I had no idea where to get it because it went to Marc Jacobs outlet, and there's not a lot of Marc Jacobs outlets out there, and it just so happens that Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack had a Marc Jacobs outlet near her. And she got me in touch with her essay. And
is this like the first time you've ever opened a box? Oh my goodness.
So, well, I'm talking. I know I can't barely do both at once. Okay, so she got me in touch with the essay. I was able to order a couple things. The bag I wanted wasn't available. And but I did get a couple things. And it was just super nice of Jackie to have connected me with her essay, because I would have had no idea how to do it otherwise, and at least I got some of the items. And one of the items that I wanted, the main item I wanted, Jackie did get. So they had it in the store originally, but I wasn't able to grab it. So Jackie did get it. I got to see it, just not in person. And I liked it as much as I liked the pictures of it. It's here, it has blue handles. And so Jackie got it. Fast forward a week or so ago, Jackie was selling some bags online. She was doing it during a live. I went into her live after she had apparently already shown this, so I didn't know that this was a bag that was available. So I watched her live, then I went to bed. I'm in bed, I'm reading my phone, I get a message, it's Jackie, and she's like, hey, I don't know if you know this or not, but I was selling this bag, and I thought you might be interested in it. 100% yes, I was interested. And so now I have the bag here. So I got the denim. Oops, I hit myself in the face. Wizard of Oz bag. So there's the front, the side, the back, the other side.
It's a twister.
I just love it. Okay, and there's goodies in here. So I thought I'd show everybody. Okay, let's see. Okay, it comes with a zipper. It goes, like that.
Does that tuck in?
Tuck in there. That's what I do with it, but I just really like it.
What's that thing for on the side?
I don't know what that's for. I don't know. I don't know if anybody knows what it's for. I guess you could put maybe an umbrella there or the right size drink, but this size normally I think of is a little bit too big for me. I mean, it wouldn't be, but because I like this is about the size tote I like. But the reason I was drawn to this one as well is because it was denim, and I knew that it would be more pliable. It'd be kind of smushy. I could set it down. It wouldn't really matter what size it was because it was so soft, and it is, and it's beautiful, and I love the Wizard of Oz, and I'm just so happy to have this. And let's see what else I got. Oh, jeez. She sent a ton of stuff. Okay, so she sent me the book Crave by Tracy Wolff. I have not read this book yet, so that's cool. And it's got I forgot what the name of that is when the pages are some are longer than the others. But this is cool. This interests me. It's by Tracy Wolff, and I've been really reading a lot, so I can see why she'd throw that in there. Let's see. I was going to say, is there any note? I don't want to be looking through stuff and then there's a note. I don't see one. Okay. What does that say? Hey, y'all. Little duck. I like ducks.
And you cannot lie.
We collect them. Me and one of my sons do. So that's awesome. Here's the strap for the bag. It's what we call the seatbelt strap in black, which I think is good because I wouldn't want anything to detract from the bag. Let's see what else we got here. What is this? Assorted lip balms, Kath Kidston. There's coconut, original, spearmint, and original. I wonder what their original is. So I got that. Those look so pretty. So not only did I get my bag at a great price, oh, that's awesome too. So she left a ring on here so I can put bag charms on it. And then I got one other item here. I think that's everything. So, oh, she had said something about this. I was going to show you the inside, but now I can't because I have to look at this. She had this little Dorothy doll, and she sent it to me. Oh, that is cute. That is so cute. She had said something about a Dorothy doll, but I didn't want to, say, oh, and she sent me a Dorothy doll, and then it not be in there or something. That is awesome. It looks good on my bag.
Make her a bag charm. Maybe it's for her.
Maybe that's what it's for, right? We shove her in there.
That's Dorothy's slot.
That's cool. Oh, Jackie, that was so nice. And then, okay, so the interior has a one zippered pocket. Otherwise, it's just a big thing.
Crevasse.
Right, but it says The Wizard of... Can you see that?
Yeah, Wizard of Oz by Marc Jacobs.
Yeah. So that's my newest.
We didn't see.
Oh.
Are there any feet?
No.
No feet.
No feet.
Okay.
But it's basically like the size of my one that I got from Winnie for Christmas, my witch.
Yep.
And then I had this one from the first time Marc Jacobs did the drop is what those two are from. And the thing that I didn't like is the Tin Man is my favorite. I mean, he just is. He always has been. And so I like that he was so prevalent here and prevalent there. I mean, Dorothy's great too. They're all great. But something about the Tin Man, he's just my guy. And I love Jack Haley. And
I like Buddy Ebsen.
well, he would have been a good Tin Man too. But he's no Jack Haley.
True.
But it's good that you know that trivia. Yeah, I just thought this was so cool, so unique. It doesn't have like it. I mean, it just is that like it's not really silk screened. Maybe it is silk screened on there. I just thought it was really neat. And then the sides, like there's the farm.
The other one had a tornado on it.
And
the twister.
It's just such a neat bag. I just really, really like it. I'm so pleased to get it. And well, then extra goodies too. Jackie, you're awesome. I'm just so pleased. I love the bag. I do love the bag 100%. I wanted it immediately. But the fact that she thought of me and reached out to me, it's what I keep saying about this community. It's just incredible. If I get excited about something, I have people that I can share my excitement with. If you miss out on something, people who understand that we know these are first world problems. Oh, I didn't get the bag I was hoping out of a drop. I mean, really, in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter. But it's some of the stuff that kind of matters to us right now. And to be able to share that with people who understand that feeling, it's just amazing. But just the friendships and everything that have come from this. I mean, she had no reason to have to do that. She offered me a great price on it. And just the fact that she knew, she knew and remembered that that would mean a lot to me to ask me if I wanted it. So it's just a great community. If you don't already have a channel, maybe you should start one. If you don't want to start one, or even if you do and you're not subscribed to mine, please consider subscribing. Just, yeah, I did that. I went like right into that.
Excellent segue.
Right. I do typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags, small leather goods, other things like that. I mean, this is my jam, so sometimes you'll see perfume, sometimes you'll see shoes, sometimes you'll see jewelry, but, mainly it's contemporary and luxury related handbag content. On Mondays, I do bag swaps, so Monday nights a video will go up on which I switch from my current bag and I go into my next bag, and then I give you a little bit of information about current and new one and switch out all my small leather goods. If you see a video come up on a Thursday, it'll be a book related video. I do occasionally do book hauls and go over like what I'm reading, what I've been reading, what I want to read, things like that. I've had a request to go over the Beanie Malone books series, so I do want to do that at some point in the future. I'm over on Instagram. If you haven't found me there already, it's at James Jam as well, just JAME_S_Jam. And if you like denim, boy, you'll probably like my next couple bag swaps, because I don't doubt that I get into this one at some point soon. This one, some point soon. I am in a denim carry bag right now from Coach. So, yeah, just a lot of fun stuff coming up. So, I think that's everything for today. Thanks again to Jackie for letting me know about this and letting me purchase this and the sweet gifts that she sent as well. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.